In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete Safari from your iPhone running on iOS 18. Deleting Safari is not as straightforward as uninstalling other apps because it is a built-in app on iOS devices. However, if you prefer to use a different web browser or simply want to get rid of it from your device, you can disable Safari. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. What you want to do next is enable screen time on your device if it isn't already turned on. Then scroll down a bit and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then toggle on the switch next to the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. And then tap Allowed Apps and Features. All you have to do next is toggle off the switch next to Safari. Now if I exit the Settings app and go back to the home screen, you'll see that Safari is no longer there and is not even in the app library. Keep in mind that disabling Safari does not delete it permanently from your device, but it will prevent you from accessing the browser until you re-enable it through the same settings menu. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.